Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am back today to share the card that I created with the image that I colored on day 2 of my Color March Happy series. I am trying to get these images onto cards as quick as I can so that I can share, because I think it's just so fun to see the process from starting with a stamped image, whether it's a real stamp or a digital stamp, and then the coloring, and then tying it all together to see the finished card. So I will link everything below, the link to my coloring video, to my blog post, and any other information that I think you might need about my card. On day 2, I colored up this gorgeous stamp set, this stamp from Reverse Confetti called Butterfly Blossoms. I love this stamp set. I think it's just so pretty, and I don't know why I don't use it more. I colored it up, and then normally I would add sparkle. This time I didn't. I was kind of shocked, but I really like how it turned out. I did add some white gel pen to that. I did that in that coloring video though. The sentiment I stamped with a Gina K tomato soup ink. I have the Gina K inks, and sometimes I just forget to pull them out. They are such nice inks. This is a Pink and Main reverse scallop rectangle die. I really like how it frames the card. And I used a Stampin' Up! And Retired embossing folder to give that partial embossing, just so that it kind of gave it a little something something. And then I pulled out some glitter enamel dots that I had from Stampin' Up! And so there's that finished card. I think it turned out so pretty. On the inside, I did stamp it. I think that was with Daffodil Delight from Stampin' Up!, which matches the cardstock that I put it on, and a strip of that pattern paper. So there is that completed card. Again, everything will be in the description box below. And I appreciate you so much stopping by. And until my next video, have a fabulous, fabulous day. Thanks so much.